everyone. This printer is Canon Pixma MG3650S. I want to show you how to reset this printer to a factory default setting. Go to the control panel, press and hold the stop button until a warning light flashes 21 times. Release the button, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button, then release it. So we're going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Release the button. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button. 1, 2, 3. Release the button. So you prompt the printer to print out network configuration report. Network configuration page. Wireless LAN enabled. So this is how to reset this printer to factory default settings. Printed out network configuration report so that you can go ahead and reconnect the printer to a network. Thank you very much indeed.